Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to a new video. In this video I'm gonna talk to you on how to get free Solana using your old wallet that you've been trading on or buying NFTs. So you're just gonna go to this website, it's called Sol-Incinerator, and you're gonna click on Connect Wallet. In my case I'm using Phantom, so I'm gonna click here. And there you go, you're gonna see like some items load up here, here in tokens. Unknown. So I've got some items here in cleanup and token. So all you're gonna do is gonna select all cleanup items, and then you're gonna see how much you're gonna get for selling these items. It's gonna give you 0.22. So essentially when you make a trade, what happens is a vacant account gets created, and after you like for example you sell that trade, the account remains linked to your wallet. And so essentially you're just closing them and getting some money in return. So in this case, as you can see, I have 111 vacant accounts, and if I sell them all, it's gonna give me 0.22. You can do the same with the tokens. You can burn them. If your tokens like they're not worth much and you didn't sell them at the time, you can burn them and you get some money in return. So as you can see, when I selected these, I gained 0.08. And so you should check everything here on the website, NFTs, CNFTs, domain, you might have some, and that's it. And then you just click on confirm. It's gonna show you how many items you're gonna burn and how much you gain. So you press on confirm. You're gonna get a verification here. You're just gonna click on verify, and then you're gonna get the money into your wallet. Keep in mind that you're gonna need like 0.0009 for network fees in order to do this, but you will gain your money. And so I can't do it right now because I already done it on my main wallet, so I'm just showing you with an example. But yeah, I hope you get some free Solana if you found any, and I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.